Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a beautiful under the sea pendant. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, blue glitter flakes, a little glass bottle with a cork top, 3 4mm beads, mixing bowl, mixing utensil, an eyelet screw, 3 jump rings, and a head pin. You'll also need 2 charms. I have a large seahorse and a small seahorse, tweezers, pliers, and some kind of chain. This is a sterling silver rope chain. To begin, we're going to use the little jar. We're going to remove the cork top, and then we're going to use the blue glitter flakes, and I'm just going to place the glitter flakes into the little jar, and I'm going to put enough into it so the jar is almost filled with glitter flakes. Now that the bottle is filled, we're going on to the next step. You'll need your mixing bowl and your mixing utensil, and we're just going to pour a little of the resin into the mixing bowl. You won't need a lot, just a little dot of it in there. And then I'm just going to place it on the bottom of the cork and around the edges. And if you don't want to use UV resin, you're more than welcome to use glue. You can use E6000 and that will hold the cork in place. But here I'm just putting the cork in with the resin and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Now that it's cured, I'm going to place the eyelet screw into the center of the cork. Next, I'm going to use the leftover resin that's in the mixing bowl and just put it around the top of the cork where I screwed in the eyelet screw. Now, if you use the E6000, I recommend that you put it on the end of the eyelet screw and then screw it in. And I'm also putting the UV resin around the edges of where the cork went in, so it's like around the edge of the cork and on the edge of the glass, and that just makes it more secure. And now I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Next you'll need your pliers. You'll also need some round nose pliers for this. I'm just opening up the jump rings. I'm opening them to the side and I'm placing the charms onto a jump ring. Each charm gets a jump ring. And then I'm going to make a loop. I put all 3 beads on the head pin. I'm going to clip a little off and I'm going to leave about 3/4 of an inch on the head pin so I can make a loop. And I'm just going to bend the wire back. And then with the round nose pliers, I'm going to make a loop. So now we're going to put your pendant together. So you're going to need all the elements that we made. And we're going to open up a jump ring to the side and we're going to add on the little jar with the glitter flakes. And then we're going to add to one side of the jump ring one of the charms. And then we're going to move to the other side of the jump ring and add the beads and the smaller charm. And we're also going to add, at the same time while the jump ring is open, we're going to add the chain. And then once we add the chain, we're going to close up the jump ring. And there you have it, your under the sea pendant. Now if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find a link to my jewelry, my art, and my photography. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.